So these days, a ton of people are using the different AI chatbots. They're using them as digital tools to help, get something done. But one of the things you have to remember when you're using these tools is you need to prime them. And what do I mean by prime them? You just can't go to ChatGPT or Claude or Google Gemini and say, give me an answer, because it's going to give you the aggregate of all the things that it knows. It's not going to give you tailored answers that are really what you're looking for, right? So maybe you're trying to come up with content for a website. Maybe you're trying to please visitors who are coming to your webpage. Maybe you're trying to develop a content strategy. You got goals. You got reasons why you went to ChatGPT in the first place. So you have to prime it. You have to prime these chatbots. Otherwise, they're just going to give you all kinds of random junk. One of the frameworks I really like is called the RACE framework, which stands for, it's an acronym. It stands for Reach, Act, Convert, and Engage, right? I'm not going to go through what that one is, but that's one to go ahead and look up on Google and see if that one fits, what you need. It's one that I tend to like. But at the end of the day, it's really about teaching the chatbot, hey, here's what I want to do. Here's why I want to do it. Here's the kind of audience that I'm trying to reach. Here's the end goal of what I'm expecting to get from you. And if you can go in and really chat with this chatbot and get it to understand exactly what you're looking for, it's going to be so much better every single time. So remember, go in, prime every time you're trying to use this these assistants, and you'll get much, much better results.